boys and girls. I hope you liked learning a little bit about insects yesterday. Today, we're going to continue to dive deeper into insects and why do we need insects? Like, why are they on our earth anyway? Because they're just annoying, right? They bite you, they sting you, they get in your kitchen all the time. But actually, insects are very important for humans. Without insects, humans would die, believe it or not. So, our question today is, what do insects do? What do they do? They do a lot more than just buzz in your ear and bother you. So insects are actually very amazing creatures. Let's go ahead and read through this story, and then we'll talk more about what insects do. What do insects do? Well, they jump, right? They jump. They fly. They eat and they drink. They cut and they carry. They fight and they bite. They build and they hide. Insects, look at you! Look at that grasshopper looking at you. So, what do insects do? And why do we need them on our earth? Well, like I said yesterday, insects help us. They help us with so many different things. They, first of all, have a huge help with pollinating crops. So what that means is, like, we'll take a bee, for instance. A bee will come over to this flower and he'll land, and he'll get some nectar, okay? They drink the nectar from the flower. They don't drink honey, they drink nectar. So they get the nectar, and then while they're there, they get something stuck on their legs called pollen. And then they fly to another flower. And then over here at this flower, they're drinking the nectar, but guess what? They're dropping off pollen and getting new pollen. So flowers are really cool because when the pollens get mixed up, then that will make the fruit. So that's how we get our apples and our pumpkins and our watermelons and a lot of other delicious, wonderful fruits like strawberries and peaches. Can't wait for summer. So we need to have those bees that will pollinate all of our plants. Another thing that bugs do is they return nutrients to our soil. So as things were to die, like if there was an animal that would die and, it would be out in the woods or something, or even a plants, sometimes trees will fall over and things like that. Bugs actually decompose. There's that big word. We hear it in math, and now we're hearing it in science again. They decompose, which means to break things down, break them apart. So when an animal dies, some bugs will go and start eating the dead animal. Some bugs will go start eating through that dead tree that has fallen down, and we'll take care of it, and we'll make our earth clean. They also like to dig in the soil, which causes the soil to be aerated, which is really important for plants to be able to grow properly. So that's another big thing that they do. I said yesterday they were part of the food chain. So bugs are food for fish, for birds, and for even mammals, sometimes us. We eat bugs sometimes. Sometimes bugs are even used in medicine, if you can believe that or not. We've used some bugs in some medicines. Not all medicines, okay? So don't think the next time you have medicine, you're going to have a bug. No. But they have been very instrumental in developing some of the medicines that we need in our society. And one other thing that they do that I'm super glad about is, especially ladybugs, they eat little bugs that are on my vegetables. So when I have a garden, if I see a ladybug in my garden, I want to leave it there because they eat little bitty bugs that are all over my green bean plants, and I don't want them there. So they also help us to keep down other pesky bugs. So insects do a lot for us. And I hope that you're going to be able to go outside and see a cool insect. But remember, don't make it mad. We don't want to make insects mad. But you can look at them for sure, okay? Now, remember, there were body parts, the body parts of an insect. Do you remember what they were? Head, thorax, abdomen. Very good. And then they also have, how many legs? 6. Very good. And their antennas. Very good. So, boys and girls, I want you to think about insects and about how super cool they are and how helpful they are, okay? So today on Seesaw, I want you to go there. There's a SciShow Kids video, you know, the fast talking girl. There's a SciShow Kids video about how to identify an insect. And then there's an insect sort I want you to work on, okay? I'll see you guys later. Bye.